In a world standing at the brink of a new era, visionaries like Bernd Ferber, CEO of Tempulse.Global, are charting a course towards a sustainable and technologically advanced future. As the DACH region faces cultural and ideological shifts, the global economy presents unprecedented challenges and opportunities. India's economic surge, at 8.4% last year, juxtaposes the challenges in China, highlighting a strategic pivot point for global growth. Strategic insights from leading institutions underscore the Indian market's potential for DACH companies. A global focus, embracing technology and infrastructure, is crucial for tapping into burgeoning consumer markets. Sustainability forms the core of future business strategy. India's growth model, balancing economic expansion with environmental protection, offers a blueprint for global companies to follow. The Global Expansion 2030 Insights Initiative emphasizes the power of knowledge and commitment in shaping a sustainable, prosperous future. Bernd Ferber invites us to join this visionary journey, uniting economic dynamism with sustainable progress. The time to act is now. With a focus on the global stage and sustainable development, let's create a thriving planet together. Join us in this visionary departure towards Global Expansion 2030.